This is the decimal point. Plus 37.84 milligrams plus 840 milligrams. Find the sum. Then you have rupees 495 plus rupees 84.05 plus rupees 143.75 plus rupees 598.50. Hello, start doing. Hello, Harshit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start doing, beta.
Mama,
Yes,
got
ma'am,
the
I'm doing.
answer for first.
Yes, Neha, what is the answer for the first one?
Mama got 174.843.
174.843. This is the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Milligrams. Sir.
Okay, Harshit, give your answer. What is the answer? Please check. Others also please find the answer, and so that
Ma'am, my answer is one seven one 1774.843.
1774.
Yes, ma'am.
Neha, is that the answer? You gave me this, no? Is that double seven in between? Please check, both of you, please check your answers.
Mom, it's 77. Sorry. It's
177. Yes, Harshit, you're correct. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, please find out this one. Find the second one also. Be careful with your calculations.
Mama got the second answer.
Okay, what is the second answer?
Mama got 830 830.25.
830.25. Okay, let me write. Others also please give your answers. Give your answers. Adya, Harshit. Okay, let's take another sum.
Mama, is my answer correct?
Give the answers, children. Please check if it is 831, Neha. It should be 1 here. Please check. 831.25. Please check. Check the calculations once again.
Mom, it's 831.2.
It's 831.
Yes.
Ma'am, take 31.25.
Yes, it's 831.25. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's take on subtraction. Subtract 93.05 from 98.1. This is 98.1. The next one is 14.83 from 70.
Mom, I got the answer for the first one.
Okay, what is it?
Mom, I got 5.05.
5.05. Harshit, give your answer.
Ma'am, I got the same answer, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. It's correct, beta. Both of you are correct. Okay, find the next one.
Mom, I got the answer for the next one.
Yes, what is the answer?
Mom, I got 55.17.
Good. Okay,
Ma'am, I got the same answer, ma'am.
very good. Very
Also
good,
got the
beta.
same answer.
Very nice. Okay, so now today we'll learn something new, that is multiplication of decimals, right? Okay, children, how do we multiply the decimals? Okay, so in multiply, what do we do? I'll just give you an example. Now suppose I'm multiplying a number. This is my number 43.5. I'm multiplying this with a whole number, right? I'm multiplying a decimal number by a whole number. So what do I do in this case? 0.5 multiplied by 4. Now first we will multiply as it is. As you multiply the whole number, so just ignore the decimal point here. Don't look at the decimal, just multiply the numbers. Okay? Right? So 5 4 is 20, you carry 2 here, this is 12, 13, 14, 4, and then you carry one more, then you have 17 here like this. That means what is your answer? 1740. Okay. But here we had decimal point. Now you have to see where is the decimal. You have to check in both the numbers where is the decimal. In this number, there is no decimal point, right? It's just 4. But here you have decimal point after one place. Okay. So you have to leave that many digits from the ones place and then put a decimal point here. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
understood this? We'll do more examples. Okay, this was the first example. Let's do more examples. You'll understand it better. Okay, now suppose if I have a number, let me take some number. Okay, I'm taking this 6.3 multiplied by 7, right? So first you just multiply the numbers 63 and 7. Just multiply the numbers as it is. Just ignore the decimal point. Okay. So 7 3 is 21, 2 carries, 7 6 is 42, and 2 is 44. Right? And now you write 441 here. Now you have to put the decimal point. Now you will see where is the decimal point. In this number, you have the decimal point leaving one place from from the side, and here you don't see any decimal point. So that means you will put your decimal point leaving one place from this side, from the ones place. Okay, so that means here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's take another example. 0.7 into 7. Let's do this. Now just take 7. Just multiply the numbers. Okay. Forget about the sign. 7 into 7 is what? 49.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And now you have decimal point after one place. So from here also, you will leave the ones place and you will put decimal point. Right?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see this. 149.24 multiplied by 100. Now, when we multiply the numbers with 100, what do we get? 14924 and two zeros like this. Yes, this is when we just multiply the numbers.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So now here you see you have decimal point after two places. Okay, so in the answer also you will leave two places from this side and you will put the decimal point here. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, similarly you have, I give you a number 2.103 multiplied by 1000. Okay, so now just ignore the decimal point. 1 second. 1 second, beta. Okay, so you will just ignore the decimal point and just multiply. So this is 2103 and then you have three zeros when you multiply with 1000 like this. Okay, now your decimal point is after three places here, after three digits, right? So here also after three digits from the ones place, you have to count from the ones place, right? So leaving three digits here, you will put your decimal here. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's take another example. 490 into 14. Okay, so how do we do this? We just multiply the numbers. This is 496. We just multiply the numbers as we usually do. Okay, so please multiply this. 6 4 is 24. Then 36, 38. This is 3, 16. And 3 is 19. This is 6. This is 9. This is 4. 4 is 14. 10, 9, 19. This is 6. Right? So this is your number. 6944. And now where will you put your decimal point?
Ma'am,
See here you
after
have decimal point.
And we will
Yes,
skip
yes.
one number and keep middle of the both fours.
What happened? Huh. So after leaving one place here, you will put your decimal point here. Right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the rule to do this, what is the first rule? First you just multiply the numbers.
Ma'am, we need to ignore the decimal point.
So take the numbers as whole numbers. First you take both the numbers as just whole numbers and then you multiply it. Okay, then in the product, place the decimal point after leaving equal digits. Okay, as is the number of places here, equal digits to the total number of decimal places in both the numbers. So here in this number, we don't have any decimal. Okay, but in case if you get such numbers and you have decimal here also, then you have to count both sides. Okay, so we'll do examples on that also. Counting must start from the ones place. Okay, okay, children.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
counting must start from the ones place. From this side, you have to count. Okay, let's do. looking for some example for you. Okay, let's take another example. Now you will do this. Okay, 0.8 multiplied by 0.8. Okay, tell me what will you write here?
Ma'am, we need to multiply 8
First
and
you
8.
just multiply. What is your first step?
Ma'am, we need to ignore the decimal points and multiply the
You
numbers
just
as well.
multiply the numbers. First step is to just multiply the numbers. So number is 0.8, that means it's 8 only. 0.8, that's 8 only, right? 8 into 8 is how much?
64.
Bhavesh? 64. Okay. Now Bhavesh will tell me, Bhavesh, where will you put the decimal point?
Ma'am, we'll keep the decimal point after. Ma'am, we'll skip one letter, one number, and keep the decimal point.
One number from where?
Ma'am, we'll start from 4 and keep the decimal point in between 6 and 4.
In between, see what I told you, you have to see the decimal places. Here also you have decimal place after one digit. Here also you have decimal point after one digit. So in total, how many digits you have? One here and one here. That is 2. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means you will keep your decimal place, leaving 2 places from here. 1, 2. Here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now do this 101 into 0.2. Okay, please multiply the numbers first. Harshit, tell me what is the number, what will you get here? Don't put decimal, just tell me the number first. This is 10 point, this is 10.1. Huh? Yes? Yes, Harshit, tell me now, will you put the decimal?
Tell with decimals or without decimals?
Without decimals I've written now. Now tell me where will you write the decimal point?
Ma'am, after in between of 2 and 0.
After?
After hundreds place.
After hundreds place. Here, very good. Okay. So what did you do here? This is after one, this decimal was after one's place, this point was after one place. So in total you have 2 places, is it? So that's how you left, you put decimal point leaving 2 places from here. Okay? Okay, please write down the rule for decimal multiplication. Please write down. Please write down the rule. Take the 2 numbers. Take the 2 numbers as whole numbers. Take the 2 numbers as whole numbers and multiply. Okay. Why the videos are off? Bhavesh, Neha, at least you both can do, no? So take the 2 numbers as whole numbers and multiply. Okay. So just ignore the decimal point and just multiply the numbers first. Okay. Then your second step is in the product. Now the product that you get, in the product, place the decimal. Now in the product, you have to place the decimal point. place the decimal point after, just a second. Place the decimal point after leaving digits equal to the total number of decimal places in both numbers. You understood this line?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
The product, place the decimal point after leaving digits equal to the total number of decimal places in both numbers. Okay. Now, your third step is counting must always be done from the ones place of the product. Okay. In the product, the counting must always be done from the ones place. Okay. For example, so you had so many examples on this. So let's take one example here. 1.1 multiplied by 1.1. So when you multiply 1.1 into 1.1, what do you get? 11 into 11 is how much? Your first thing is you will just multiply these numbers. So that's 1, 1.
121.
121. Okay. So that's 121. And your second step says is, in the product, place the decimal point, leaving equal total number of decimal places. So here the decimal place is after 1 digit. Here the decimal place is after 1 digit. So we have to take the total decimal places of the two numbers, right? So this is one place, this is another place. That means after two places counting from the ones place. Get it? Got it? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha, Bhavesh,
Yes,
Harshit,
ma'am.
Adya. Anyone has a doubt? Please ask. Sorry. Please ask. Okay. Let's take more examples on this. This was the first example. And let's take more examples. Okay, let's do this 0.09 multiplied by 0.09. Now tell me what will be the answer?
181.
Ma'am.
81. Okay, good. And now where will you put the decimal point?
After 4 digits.
After 4 digits, ma'am.
Very good. So that means we will start counting from the ones place of the product. 1, 2, and here I have nothing. So I will put 0 and one more 0. So now it's 4 digits, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my decimal point will come here. Okay, and I will put one more 0 here. Yes, you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are all understanding, Bhavesh? Are you able to understand?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Neha, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next number is 2.01 into 0.4. Now tell me what you get here. Bhavesh, tell me what will you do first? Bhavesh will tell me.
We will get 8, not 4.
8, 0,
Not
4. Okay. Now where will you put the decimal point?
the answer is 0.804.
0.804. Good. So that means decimal point was from 3 places from the ones place. Good. Okay. Next. 11.2 multiplied by 0.7. Okay. Now tell me, Harshit will tell me. Harshit, yes, Harshit, give me the answer. Harshit, can you listen?
Ma'am, 784.
This one, question, fourth part.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
784 decimals after 2 digits.
Okay, very good. Good, beta. Okay. Okay, now Adya, you give me the answer for the fifth one. Adya, give me the answer for the fifth one. You can write in the chat box, Adya. Yes, children, you also find out. I'm waiting for Adya's answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. I'm asking Adya first. Everyone should get the turn, no? Yes, Adya, please write your answer in the chat box. Okay. Okay, good. So the answer is 3 when you multiply it with 111, you get 333 and your decimal point will be 3 places here and 3 places here. So these are 3 places and for another 3 places you will put 3 zeros. So this is your answer. Okay, very good. Okay, let's find out this. 713.12 into 1.52. Do this. Now this is a big question. Just multiply first.
I got the answer.
Okay, tell me the answer.
And the answer is 11 0 97 82 4.
11097
824, ma'am.
824. Okay, where will you put the decimal now?
1 second.
Ma'am, even I got the same.
And the answer is 11 1109 .7824.
So how do you read this number?
And what?
How do you read this number?
Ma'am, 11,109.
This is 11,000, 1,109.
Ma'am, it was 1000.
So don't say 11,000. Okay,
Okay.
1109.782. The after decimal places, you must just read the numbers. Okay, that you must not say like this 7,824. It's not that way. Okay, after decimal places, you must just read the numbers as they are 7824. Even if you have this 7.84, you must read it as 7.84 and not 7.84. Okay, the after decimal points places, you must just read the number as there. Okay. Okay, take the next one. 432.01 into 4.2. Okay. Now do this. Okay, let me see who does it the fastest, who gives me the answer first.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, what is it?
Ma'am, I got 1814.
Ma'am, I also got
Wait, let her give the answer. Don't speak in between. Yes,
18144442.
442. Okay, there is a decimal point.
Ma'am, it's 181.4442.
1814.442. Okay, so you can just say, if I'm asking where is the decimal point, you can say just leaving 3 digits from one's place. Okay, leaving 3 digits from one's place. You can even say like that. Okay, so take the next one. 0.12 into 0.12. Do this. Okay, let me see who does it the fastest.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, say
264.
264.
Ma'am, I got 146.
1 for 12 into 12 is not 264. Please multiply again. It's 144. And where is the decimal point, Neha?
Ma'am, the decimal point is after 4 digits, so we add 2 more zeros at the first.
So after 4 places from the ones place. Okay, let's take another one. 501.03 multiplied by 3.33. Do this. Okay, Harshit, I want the answer from you fast.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, just a second.
Ma'am, I too got the answer.
Give me the answer. Yes. Yes, Harshit, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 1,66 lakhs 84,299.
No, first you just read the number, the full number. Okay, like this. You don't need to read it into lakhs and crores. Okay, just write the number as it is. Okay, then where will I put the decimal?
After 4 digits, ma'am.
Okay, from where? After 4 digits from here, where?
Right, ma'am.
Counting from which side will I count? Will I
From
count,
the right to left.
will I count
to
from this side or from this side?
Ma'am,
See,
right
ones
to left.
place. I have seen the rules just now. I said you have to count from the ones place. Counting is always done from ones place of the product. So this is your product, no? This is your product, and you will always do the counting from the ones place. 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Okay? Counting is always done from the ones place. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So like this you can say. I know you were saying correct, but I just wanted that you should be able to, specify from where you have to say.
Mom, but I got 16683699.
Please check your answer. Check your calculations, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try the next one. Okay. Quickly, the class time is over. I'll be winding up the class now. Just do these questions.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, please. Yes, say
It's
beta.
is it 57000941?
1 second. 5. What are you saying? 5, 7,
57000941.
941. Okay, very good. And where is the decimal point?
From the ones place, 4 digits.
Very good. Okay, good. Your answer is correct. Okay. Okay, give me the next answer. Bhavesh.
Ma'am, 1 second, I'm doing.
Mom, I did the second answer.
Okay, good. Please tell me the answer.
Mom, I got 1050384.
50384. Okay, this is the product. And where is the decimal point?
Mom, the decimal point will be 2 places from the ones place.
Very good. 2 places from the ones place. This is correct. Okay, great. So you must practice such questions. I'll give you worksheet also. Okay. Okay, beta. Thank you for today, everyone. So please go through the rules. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Rules for finding the product. How do we multiply decimals? Okay. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank you,
nice day.
ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye-bye.